Yena na mo mpani fo bibi omo kai bia na no kre. Yes, bibi omo kai bia ye no kru. Omo se wo ye papa, wo ye fa. Wo ye born so a wo ye fa. Small are results here that's where Bunkpurugu constituency. Bunkpurugu constituency. More than that's where 2023 primaries. Kennedy Agyapong at 0. Francis Adenimu at 0. Okoto Free at 0. OBN at 0. Nipa win 100%. Era Dr. Bawumia. 2023 primaries. Yeah, we are watching so. We papa, we fa, we fa, we fa. If you do good, you do for yourself. Now the same constituency on 100%. And my Agyapong 0. Francis Adenimu is 0. I free Akoto is 0. Through general election. Not candidates now 100% over 500 votes no. Through general election. Not our candidates no. And 0. Then I'm going to more yay. Now I'm going to more yay. Look at them as a party, you go for wow. We name you much much right. And you go for my is a party or move by GSO. Now, and I'm who video be a large 38 being Comobia. Or to say, Nella, now Brabo for the past 16 years now. What fight some MPP, what sacrifice some MPP. Also, 16 years ka crampon, 16 years ka crampon now, woody and now. Okran, 16 years now, they don't sacrifice you. Who 16 years old, no MPP? I don't know would do sacrifice way. I don't know would do what and look how they casa. Oh, the bomb was from so why are they? The delegate for one sham found two swabber. No more my party since 1992. No, who came on day, who is 16 years simple. I like you, they casa.
Abusuya, Zumzum Mafia, any Kennedy Fono, and I'm a mutual trust say. Dr. Bawumia, enya 0 during general election or Bunkpurugu constituency. Na presidential primaries to 522 nipa on to abama no omwe so no commented am so wey every bra could you say yes I also don't understand why he got 522 and in the election here he got 0. Where were the people who voted for him to get 522? The crowd also say, oh, you lie. He said, but the general election he had 0. Play the full video. And I'm also say you are lying. He's asking why you got 100% and had 0 in the general election. Stop the mischief. So I'm person what you say. Bunkpurugu constituency to about 2024 no. Dr. Bawumia 0. There is no polling station in Bunkpurugu constituency about Dr. Bawumia 0. Now, this 2023 presidential primaries here Bawumia a year 522 no. It was delegates omwo Bunkpurugu MPP before they got to Aba and then the whole constituency. Now, Shamesro made the 2024 presidential primaries at Mesro. John Dramani Mahama in 18,607, representing 52.35% of the total valid vote cast. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia 16,369, representing 46.13%. Way 2024 general elections results. I certified results. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia 16,369. There is no polling station in Bunkpurugu. Dr. Bawumia 0. 522 no was the MPP presidential primaries delegates on Kwa Kotoye and then the whole constituency delegates omo Bunkpurugu in the Koto Sabano. And there is no any information and any polling station in Bunkpurugu at Dr. Bawumia 0 in a polling station. He has 16,000 at the end of the election, general elections no. So when you know Bawumia 0 Bunkpurugu constituency now history Bunkpurugu constituency MPP and we need that. In 1996, NDC winning with 84%, 2000 we winning 51%, 2004 we winning 52%, 2008 64%, 2012 64%, 2016 52, 2020 52, and after 2024 52.35%. And the Bunkpurugu constituency NDC strong goal. MPP winning will order general elections. Then bomono ba kono NPP presidential primaries. Na Bawumia every year because honum of East region honum region Bawumia free. So that is what you need to understand. I don't think suade na your research and na woni yen intellectuals no aba be discussion next I be gu wani mu ase honum de yen dia tem enokran kwa de kan wa ase. Zumzum Mafia also Dr. Bawumia we are 2023 MPP presidential primaries because monti ase de ntia onya 522 na other candidate nya 000. We bu so video we ba na we are e be dem komo.
Small our results here, that's where Bunkpurugu constituency. Bunkpurugu constituency, more than that's where 2023 primaries. Kennedy Aponya 0, Francis Ademonia 0, Okuto Free 0, Obia 0. In Nipa we 100%. Area dot count Bawumia 2023 primaries. Yeah, we are watching. We are Papa, we are.
All right, Abusuyanti. Zumzum Mafia say MPP presidential primary 2023 no. On Tiase the enter Dr. Bawumia 522 no that candidate nya 000 and don't know Dr. Bawumia no call for year mo. But these same people need here. Omo believe say in Boko bebia eye kusase for no no. Dr. Bawumia 0000. Other candidate na hono no enya 000 and no there eye no kure amount to Bawumia. But who hono no who candidate nya 0 there outsend the area mo se wajimi. You catch them say boko crampo no. Man pussy for side no so no. Mahama nya 000. Mo send nya no kure. But who candidate nya 000 Bunkpurugu. Ah no. Northern part of Ghana ya Bawumia enkofo egu onom dia. Who candidate nya 0 dia outsend nya no kure. But what's the 2024 election there Bawumia nya 0 boko. And they no kure. On the mekasa mo no. Munni policy, munni aim, munni share. So every day Bawumia nya policy o. Bawumia nya policy. Bawumia enya policy. Mo policy e den be catch the delegate no. Enya wey. Why? So see you mo this time we need down. Because so many down no ma ulusu wi am meso. Because it is still possible. Why?
Asamne dia ye simple o. Ye simple kra. Wona woji wo hudi se wukuta dom ewo MPP mu a to ho ekofo mu party wona wo say without you onkrofo a omudi wachi omonto aba omodoso to the extent says omanto aba MPP betimi alusu general election yes say te wo ho ne kokofo mu party abega se de yehunu bi da yehunu bi da bebre yehunu bi wo MPP mu yehunu bi wo NDC awo sese we no wo ko nakra na no yehunu bi wo omo anu omo ji omo hu di se omo wo dom di omo chi sa dom no omo yodium without you no vote without you no vote without you no vote no yes say te wo hu na kwate wo party. And after January 31st, Abusuya say, we will give you the opportunity to form a party and come and contest the 2028 general elections. So on also wadom, Obiara and Country. And then nanu ya na ayakwa kui ma papaya was say I aduru so. Enye nure ya na okote the party afafrantoi abuzia egosi sei wodi ya wose wo domo a ti wo ho ekofo party yesi enka hwe sesese wanya NDC fo ena omubo yodium NDC fo omuka sesebe MPP fo ye hohore ya nim kosoro ye mfa wo ma ene ye mfa wo ma echina so wo dom nese o say you have the political clout Ghana hasia te ho form party the yedini call general election yansa onya 42% no kra no ho abuzia me say so wo ye dom a mo hwe ne nkrofo a mudi na chi nyina mo ye no asimasi no vote no no yes say mo jimuhudi a monko na monko temo party obiara nka mo hwe ye de ya ni sei krupia mansa ene behwe mo se mo ate